Oh, TATA Nzambi, God of war, defender of the Bantu, hear our roar. Kongo, my strength, my guiding light, lead me forward through the night. Oh, Kongo, you are my shield. Through the darkness, your word is my sword to wield. With your might, I break through the darkness every night. No place I walk, no land I tread, where your power won't go ahead. Oh, TATA Nzambi, God of war, defender of the Bantu, hear our roar. Kongo, my strength, my guiding light, lead me forward through the night. Your wings shield me from the fire. Bullets fly from my enemies, yet I rise higher. Enemies lurk, but I still see. Through the valley you walk with me. Whoa. My ancestors rise from their slumber, armed for war, to crush my enemies and shake them to the core. Kongo, seal me, mark my name as yours alone. Let the wicked flee, forever bound in shame unknown. Oh, TATA Nzambi, God of war, defender of the Bantu, hear our roar. Kongo, my strength, my guiding light, lead me forward through the night. Not one white savior will come, but I stand tall on top of the mountain, shouting, Kongo is salvation to the world. Kongo's might, I fear no fall. Zambi's power, the chosen will rise. Watch the wicked hide their eyes. My ancestors awaken from their deep slumber, armed for war, to crush my enemies, leaving them trembling to their core.